Hey everyone! Today I'll be sharing some affordable last-minute tablescape ideas. So I'm planning on hosting a Friendsgiving this year, and I definitely want to create a great experience for my guests, but I don't want to overspend just for this dinner. So if you're on the same boat as me, I hope that this video can give you some creative ideas for your tablescape. The first one is to reuse fall decor that you already have in your home, like maybe you've got a vase of branches, or in my case, pumpkins. I've got a few of these pumpkins laying around and I figured I can just bring them all onto the table and use them as a centerpiece. This is perfect for me because after this dinner I'm going to be putting all of my fall decor away anyway so that I can bring out our Christmas decor. The second idea is to leverage candles. If I could only pick one thing for a tablescape, it would be candles, just because they instantly set a dreamy mood and totally elevate your table ambience. They're easy to find and definitely affordable. I got these tea light candle holders 2 years ago, I think, at World Market, and the candles in them were from IKEA. I think I got like this giant pack for a really good deal. I believe you can find them at the dollar store as well. And then these two little bud vases here, the orange ones, I also got from World Market, and I just filled them up with rice. I don't know if you could tell what's in there, but I wanted to add some tall candles in there and give them height with the rice. I also thought that these vintage candle holders that I thrifted a while ago would fit in really well with this spread and add like a bit of charm and antiqueness to this table. I'm using these candles that I got from Hobby Lobby when I was doing our fall decorating this year, and you can see here why I added rice to the bud vases is so that the candles in the middle can be a lot taller than the ones in the vintage candle holders. The third idea is more of a suggestion for where you can find affordable buffet napkins, and that is World Market. So I got a pack of 6 of these for $9.99 at World Market, and I bought 2 packs of these because I will be having 12 guests for my Friendsgiving. They have these in a bunch of different colors, and they sell these at this price all year long. They also have some in patterns as well. So definitely, if you have a World Market near you, you can also buy from them online. I think they have a great selection of these. I will link these for you below, and I am curious to see if other stores online sell napkins at around this price, and if I find any, I'll add those below as well. Here's also a quick pocket napkin tutorial that I learned. It is so simple to do, and this was a great way to fill in those blank white plates. The fourth idea is to get creative with personalizing your guest plates, and you really don't have to spend a lot here at all. You can probably find something that you've already got in your home, and I feel like even the most minimal tablescapes are extra special if each plate is personalized for the guest that will be sitting at that chair. What I did was use these dried baby's breath flowers that I have at home. I have used these for so many different projects. I've also used these to personalize little like gift wrapping, so definitely save your dried flowers for things like this. So then I just clipped the flowers with this wooden pin that I got from Daiso. I got like a pack of these for $1.50, and I'm sure if you don't have a Daiso near you, you can find something similar at your local craft store or even on Amazon. I'll link some for you guys below. I've seen some ideas where people use like fall leaves as the foliage, which looks so pretty and is definitely very Thanksgiving. And yeah, you can get really creative here, and it really isn't much, but it totally just makes it feel more special for the guests. So this is my more Thanksgiving themed tablescape. I'm about to show you a different tablescape that I played around with, which I think is more Christmassy, but it could totally work for Thanksgiving as well. For this one, I wanted it to be very festive, but youthful and fun, but also still adult, like not like childish youthful, which is why I got some fresh flowers. So the fifth idea is to play around with some fresh florals. I love how versatile flowers are. I love getting mine from Trader Joe's because it's so affordable there and it's just a few minutes away, so it's a great last minute centerpiece idea. I love that you can get really creative with flowers as well, like you can use them to tie in all the colors on your table. So I really wanted to find a way to reuse those orange napkins that I shared earlier, and I was trying to figure out what centerpiece to add to this table, and I thought this bouquet that I found was perfect because it's got some of that orangey tones in there, and so you could really play up with the types of flowers you get and have it match the theme. To create a more youthful and modern look, I'm going with these candle holders that I already have. These are speckled, and then I'm using these swirled candles that I think I got from my bedroom makeover a while ago. And something about that swirled look that reminds me of Christmas. And then I got these little homes from the dollar spot section from Target, and I'm going to be using these for our Christmas decor, but I thought it'd be fun to also use them for this tablescape. These are battery operated and light up, so they kind of mimic that like tea light candle vibe. Here I'm adding these placemats that I found at Ross. I was so happy to find these. I love that cross stitching on it, and the green and white works really well for the holidays, but I also feel like this placemat could work all year long. So my last idea is to thrift or find an affordable salad plate. So if you've got like a bunch of basic plates at home that you can use for your tablescape as the bottom plate, I think you can really play around with that top plate and you shouldn't have to spend so much on it. So I found these from a thrift store in Oregon a while back, and these are by Restoration Hardware, and I was so happy to find them, and they're so fun because each plate has a different comic on it. So I thought that was a great way to personalize for this table setting, even though I don't have like name tags on it like I did for the other tablescape. Just the fact that you have kind of your own unique comic makes this really fun. And then to top it off, I added some foliage. I saved some of the leaves from that bouquet for this part. If you don't have time to go thrifting, you can also check out Target or the dollar store for plates with different colors and accents. I remember at Target they had these bamboo melamine plates that were a lot more cheaper than like ceramic plates, and they had them in this plaid design, which is great for Christmas. I'll look around and link some for you guys below. I'm in love with this tablescape. I love how the orange napkins tie in so well with the bouquet, and love how there's so many layers on this table. So those were it for my affordable tablescape ideas. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and if you are planning for a holiday dinner this year, will you be doing any tablescaping? Let me know below. I would love to hear your ideas. For the sake of this video, I just made a 4-person spread, but I have 12 people coming over, guys, and I don't know how I'm going to make that work. So that is going to be a challenge, but I definitely want my Friendsgiving dinner to feel special for my guests. So I'll share with you guys on Instagram how I end up doing it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you'd like to see more home decor and home lifestyle videos from me. If you'd like, follow me on Instagram. I love connecting with you guys over there. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one.